I'm Polybath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. How do I handle a child who is very mean to her peers, but then always vehemently denies it with a big outburst? Well, you may have to discontinue the conversation about meanness, state the facts, the direct connection between her mean comment and how it impacts others, and kind of plow through, if you will, her denial. Just, okay, you wait, and she denies it, she denies it, she denies it, and then I state the facts. I say, okay, I understand how you feel. Your comment does this to other people, and they're not going to want to play with you. That's all I want you to hear. So try to get yourself into a place where you're making a connection to restate her comment, how it makes other people feel, and it's not okay. But if you get into a whole big explanation about her meanness, it's just going to charge her up even more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.